Hi, I'm Megan, a graduate student in Miami University's Project Dragonfly program. I'm based out of Central Illinois, though it is my love of the ocean and aquatic life that brought me to this program. My background is in education, and I love the water, but I found my way to the classroom as a visual arts teacher. I started this program because I wanted to become a better teacher. My students created beautiful and powerful artwork, but I wanted to know what was happening on the local and global level in regards to environmental and conservation topics so that I could help pair education and art with action and make learning more relevant and meaningful for my students. The theme of my master's plan is connecting communities with conservation and natural resources in their area. I tailored my class projects to support this mission. Many of my projects incorporated creating an advocacy campaign or educational pieces to support community awareness. I learned the importance of helping people connect with nature, especially in their youth, and the role education and hands-on experiences are in this process. I was surprised to learn how important legislation is and how crucial it is to connect with local government to enact widespread systemic changes. I started this program to find out how I can support sustainable change, but along the way, it is me who has changed. I have grown in my networking skills and have become more intentional about my actions and commitments. At first, I thought living hundreds of miles from the ocean would be a limiting factor for this program. But as I learned about Illinois' native prairies, floodplains, woodlands, rivers, and streams, I realized how wrong I was. While researching topics for papers and projects, I learned about community organizations and began attending local events. I learned about pollinators, transitioned my garden beds to native plants, and became a foster mom to monarch butterflies. I volunteered in prairie restoration, helped remove debris from waterway, and became a board member for a local nonprofit. I was even featured in an international magazine for some of this work. A definite highlight of this program has been the Earth Expedition trips, where I traveled to Australia, Baja, Mexico, and Costa Rica. My favorite part about them is the people that I meet. I learned so much from my classmates and our in-country partners that I returned from these trips reinvigorated and inspired. I realized that although there is much in this world to be worried about, it's the people that I meet along the way that bring me hope. The connections that I've made will stay strong and continue. I hope, as an educator, artist, mother, and friend, that I can help children and people of all ages develop their environmental consciousness, be it in or out of the classroom.